When it's time to replace your windows, one of the biggest decisions you'll face is choosing between energy-efficient windows and standard windows. While they may look similar at first glance, the differences in performance, comfort, and long-term value can be significant. For homeowners in Covington, understanding how these two options compare can help you make a confident, informed investment in your home. Understanding the basic difference: standard windows are typically built with basic glass and minimal insulation features. They provide natural light and ventilation but may not be designed to manage heat transfer effectively. Energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are engineered with advanced materials and construction methods that reduce air leakage and limit heat gain or loss. In Covington homes, this distinction can directly impact year-round comfort. Heat transfer and indoor comfort: one of the main advantages of energy-efficient windows is their ability to control heat movement. Standard windows often allow more outdoor heat to enter during warmer periods and more indoor air to escape when temperatures shift. Energy-efficient windows in Covington homes are designed to reduce this heat transfer, helping maintain stable indoor temperatures throughout the day. Multi-pane glass construction: most standard windows use single-pane or basic double-pane glass. Energy-efficient windows typically feature multi-pane construction with insulating space between layers. In Covington residences, this added layer helps slow down heat movement and improve overall insulation. Reduced drafts and air leaks are a common issue with older or standard window designs. Energy-efficient windows are built with tighter seals and improved weather stripping. For Covington homeowners, this means fewer drafts near windows and more consistent indoor comfort. Managing natural light without excess heat: both standard and energy-efficient windows allow natural light to enter your home. The difference lies in how they manage solar heat. Energy-efficient windows in Covington homes often include specialized glass coatings that reflect unwanted heat while still letting light pass through. This balance keeps interiors bright without causing overheating. Impact on indoor systems: when windows allow excessive air leakage or heat transfer, heating and cooling systems must work harder to maintain comfort. Energy-efficient windows reduce unnecessary strain on indoor systems. Covington homeowners may notice smoother system operation and more balanced temperature control. Long-term performance: standard windows may perform adequately at first, but they can become less effective over time as seals wear down. Energy-efficient windows are designed for long-term durability. In Covington homes, their advanced construction helps maintain consistent performance year after year. Noise reduction benefits: while not always the primary goal, improved insulation often leads to better sound control. Energy-efficient windows in Covington properties may reduce outside noise more effectively than standard options, contributing to a quieter indoor environment. Property value and appeal: upgrading to energy-efficient windows can also enhance your home's overall appeal. Covington homeowners who invest in modern window technology often find that it strengthens both comfort and property value. Buyers frequently view energy-efficient upgrades as a positive feature. Making the right choice for your home: the decision between energy-efficient and standard windows ultimately depends on your priorities. For homeowners in Covington, energy-efficient windows offer clear advantages in temperature stability, reduced drafts, and long-term performance. While standard windows may meet basic needs, energy-efficient options provide a more advanced solution designed to support comfort and efficiency. By understanding the differences, you can choose windows that align with your goals, whether that's improving indoor comfort, enhancing durability, or investing in long-term value for your Covington home.